So one of the skills that I learned in HVAC was how to wire a basic three-way switch. So to save some time, I already did all the electrical part and got the grounds done and all the wires set to save some time. So you're gonna take one of your three-way switches, and you're gonna take your power coming in right here, and you're gonna put it on your black screw.
All right.
You're gonna take a screwdriver and screw it in.
Gunner. Okay. Love you, pal.
And then your black wire here is your power going out, which goes to your second switch, will go here. After that, I'm going to take my travel wire, which also runs to your second switch. And screw right here by itself. Then I'm going to take my ground screw. Gotta unscrew that a little more. Now I'm going to grab my other switch and take my power coming out wire, which is the black one right here, and put it right on top. Then your black wire going to your light bulb will go right here. And grab the travel wire, screw it on. And then take my ground from this switch and put it right here. And I already went ahead and took the grounds and put clamps on each one of the boxes.
But when you're ready to fire up, tell me what.
Now I'm going to take the wire nuts and wire nut all the neutral wires.
All right, no hammering, keep it down.
And to finish this off, I'm going to take my light switch and hook up the black wire onto the brown screw. And my neutral is going to go right here. Then all I have to do now is just plug it in. And that is a basic three-way switch. And that's everything I got.